gather to honor and celebrate an extraordinary leader whose 9-year journey as a council member and chairperson has left an indelible mark on this institution. Albert Minnaar Zorgdrager.
Your greatest legacy will not simply be what you accomplished, but the confidence and the stability that you leave behind for others to continue the journey. So on behalf of the university community, Voorzitter, thank you for your integrity, for your wisdom, your generosity of spirit, and your unwavering commitment to this institution.
You would all ask me, am I sad to go? Of course I'm sad to go. But am I glad to go? Of course I'm glad to go. Whoever gets elected as council chair tomorrow has got big shoes to fill. Not mine. But to maintain the positive culture that has been created in council. And I ask all council members to support the new chair like you have supported me.